Okay, a tutorial on how to put a puzzle learning tower together. Take the back piece and take the side piece and just slide it in together like that, making sure that the grooves for the steps are in the front. Take the second one, slide it in, as easy as that. Then you take the back brace, you slide it through the top to the end, and now you take your key, slide it through and lock it in place, and you do the same thing on the other side, the other key, and slide it in. Then take your bottom step, which already has the base already pressed together. It'll be a little bit friction tight. Need a little elbow grease on it, but it'll go together really nicely. Slide in the bottom step, like that. Take the key, lock it in place. Done. And the final step, depending on the height you want to put it in, just slides into place. Like that. Put in a key, lock it in place, and now it's ready to go.